Hi everyone, I'm Master David Goh, a 3rd generation Imperial Feng Shui Master and a proud founder of Imperial Harvest. As we approach the year of the Wood Snake in 2025, I am pleased to share my insights and predictions for those born under the Rooster Zodiac. In 2025, roosters can look forward to a year of positive growth as they enter a period of harmony with Tai Sui. Your overall fortune will improve, and you will find that plans and projects unfold smoothly. With clarity and determination, you can seize new opportunities and achieve your goals. 2025 is a promising financial year for roosters. They will have opportunities to improve their economic situation and achieve a comfortable lifestyle. However, it is crucial to be cautious with investments and avoid risky ventures influenced by others. A thoughtful approach to financial management will help safeguard their wealth. Career prospects are stable for roosters in 2025. Business owners will receive valuable guidance from mentors, helping them navigate challenges and find the right direction for growth. For employees, increased enthusiasm and hard work will be recognized by leaders, leading to potential career progress and success. In 2025, roosters will experience a boost in confidence and charm, attracting positive attention in their love lives. Singles may find a compatible partner and should take the initiative in pursuing meaningful connections. For those in relationships, mutual understanding and support will strengthen your bond, ensuring a stable and harmonious year. The health outlook for roosters in 2025 is positive. They will feel energetic and motivated, maintaining a strong and active lifestyle. Regular exercise and self-care will contribute to their overall well-being, helping them stay in excellent physical conditions throughout the year. In 2025, roosters can expect a year of growth and stability in various aspects of life. With the right mindset and careful planning, you'll be able to achieve your goals, improve your financial standing, and build meaningful relationships. Embrace the opportunities, stay grounded, and make the most of this promising year.